In the previous section, we explored the top 5 omega-3 rich fish recommended by experts to help keep your heart strong and healthy after 60. Familiar names like salmon sardines and mackerel probably ring a bell if you're someone who cares about heart health. But here's the good news: you don't have to limit yourself to just the big-name fish. In reality, there are plenty of other options that are also high in omega-3 CZ to find budget-friendly and simple to cook. That's a big win for older adults looking for an easy and effective way to eat healthier and keep their heart attack risk in check. You don't always need to splurge on imported seafood either. Right at your local grocery store, whether it's Walmart, Costco, or your neighborhood market, you can find heart-smart fish that taste great and won't break the bank. Whether you prefer something light and easy to digest or bold and meaty, there's a perfect fit for your weekly meals. So besides salmon, what other fish do you usually go for? Could you be missing out on a few hidden gems that no one's told you about yet? Let's dive into 5 underrated fish that don't get talked about nearly enough, but might just be your new secret weapon in the fight against heart attack symptoms. 1. Canned tuna. Easy to find, easy to eat, and good for your heart. Canned tuna is one of the most popular fish in the U.S. From quick office lunches to light dinners at home, many older adults still keep canned tuna as a regular part of their weekly meals. And it's not hard to see why it's shelf-stable, easy to prepare, affordable, and still packs a decent amount of omega-3s to support heart health. A 100-gram serving of light tuna or skipjack tuna provides roughly 300 to 500 milligars of omega-3 fatty acids. While that's not as much as what you'd get from salmon or mackerel, eating it once or twice a week can still make a real difference. It may help lower triglycerides, keep your heartbeat steady, and reduce blood vessel inflammation. 3 important ways to lower your risk of stroke and heart attack. Canned tuna is also incredibly versatile. You can toss it into a green salad, mix it with whole grain pasta and olive oil for a quick, balanced meal, or make a classic tuna sandwich with whole wheat bread. It's a simple, no-fuss way to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. That said, there's one thing you should be mindful of. Not all tuna is created equal. Try to avoid albacore, also labeled as white tuna, which tends to have higher mercury levels. Instead, go with light tuna or skipjack, which are lower in mercury and considered temperature by the FDA, especially for older adults and pregnant women. If possible, choose tuna packed in water instead of oil to better control your calorie and saturated fat intake. And if you're watching your sodium, don't forget to check the label. It may not be the flashiest fish on the omega-3 list, but canned tuna remains a smart, heart-friendly choice. Nutritious, convenient, and easy to include in a healthy eating routine that supports your heart. At any age. 2. Rainbow trout. Mild, tender, heart-healthy, and easy to enjoy. If you love salmon but are looking for something a little milder, easier on the palate, and more budget-friendly, rainbow trout is a fantastic alternative. This freshwater fish is widely available in grocery stores across the U.S., especially in northern and western states, where many trout farms meet high safety and environmental standards. Rainbow trout is not only delicious, but also highly nutritious, making it an ideal choice for older adults. It has a soft texture, a delicate flavor, and is easy to digest. A 100-gram serving of cooked rainbow trout provides about 900 to 1,000 mg of omega-3 fatty acids. A heart-friendly number that can really make a difference when included in your diet regularly. It's also rich in high-quality protein, vitamin D, and important minerals like selenium and potassium, which are especially beneficial for bone strength and blood pressure regulation as we age. One of the biggest perks of rainbow trout is its versatility. It tastes great even with minimal seasoning. You can bake it whole with a pinch of salt, pepper, and fresh lemon, lightly pan-sear it with veggies, or steam it with herbs like dill, thyme, or scallions. Its subtle, non-oily flavor makes it perfect for those who prefer lighter meals or are trying to manage their cholesterol and heart health. When shopping, look for U.S.-farmed rainbow trout, often labeled sustainable or farm-raised in the USA. These typically offer better quality and are produced under stricter food safety and environmental standards. If fresh isn't available, frozen trout is a great option too. Just be sure to check the expiration date and choose a version without pre-added sauces or marinades, including rainbow trout in your meals once or twice a week. Around 100 to 120 grams per serving is a gentle yet effective way to boost your omega-3 intake, support stable heart rhythm, and enjoy a satisfying, easy-to-digest meal. It's an especially smart pick for seniors or anyone following a heart-conscious, lower-fat diet. 3. Halibut, gentle on the stomach. Mild in flavor and easy to prepare. If you're someone who doesn't enjoy the strong smell of seafood or often feel bloated after eating fish, halibut might be the perfect choice for you. This white fish has a mild flavor and a firm yet tender texture that's easy to chew and digest. Especially ideal for older adults with sensitive stomachs. In the U.S., halibut is widely enjoyed in coastal states like California, Oregon, Washington, and Alaska. But it's also commonly found at major retailers like Costco, Whole Foods, and local seafood markets. A 100-gram serving of halibut provides around 500 to 700 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acid. It's enough to support heart health when eaten regularly, about once or twice a week. It's also a great source of high-quality protein, along with key nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and vitamins B6 and B12, all of which play a role in strengthening the heart muscle and helping to regulate blood pressure. Halibut is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Because of its mild taste, you don't need to go heavy on seasonings. You can bake it with lemon and garlic, pan-sear it in olive oil with some vegetables, or steam it gently with ginger and dill. It makes for a light yet satisfying dinner that's easy on digestion, but still packed with nutrition. One thing to keep in mind: halibut is caught in various regions, and some large wild-caught halibut can contain moderate levels of mercury. For that reason, it's best for older adults to choose farm-raised halibut from reputable sources or wild halibut from Alaska, which is known for its high standards in seafood safety and sustainability. With a serving size of about 100 to 120 grams, eating halibut once or twice a week is a gentle, nutritious way to care for your heart without worrying about strong flavors or digestive discomfort. It's one of the easiest fish to get used to, especially if you're not a regular seafood eater. 4. Cod lean. Easy to digest and gentle on the heart and stomach. Cod is one of the most beloved white fish in the U.S., especially in classic dishes like fish and chips. For older adults, cod is an excellent choice thanks to its soft, lean meat that's mild in flavor, low in fat, and easy to digest. While it's not as rich in omega-3s as salmon or mackerel, a 100-gram serving of cod still provides about 200 to 250 mg of omega-3 fatty acids. That's enough to add meaningful support for heart health when eaten regularly throughout the week. One of cod's standout features is how gentle it is on sensitive stomachs. It's low in fat, rich in easily digestible protein, and also provides vitamin B12, phosphorus, and selenium nutrients that help protect your cells, support your nervous system, and keep your heart strong and resilient. For those managing blood pressure, cholesterol, or weight, cod is a smart, heart-friendly option thanks to its low-fat content compared to oilier fish. Cod is also quick and easy to prepare. You can steam it with vegetables, bake it with mustard and lemon, or make a Mediterranean-style soup with tomatoes, onions, and herbs like dill. If you enjoy crispy dishes, try lightly pan-searing it in olive oil instead of deep frying so you still get the flavor without sacrificing the heart benefits. When shopping, aim for cod with a clear and sustainable origin. North Atlantic and Icelandic cod are known for their high quality and are often harvested responsibly. You can find fresh or frozen cod at stores like Trader Joe's Whole Foods or other health-focused supermarkets. For older adults, eating cod once or twice a week, around 100 to 120 grams per serving, is a simple way to change up your routine while still adding omega-3's high-quality protein and essential nutrients to your diet. All of these support a healthy heart and help you feel your best for the long run. 5. Snapper tasty. Wholesome and easy to enjoy in everyday meals. Snapper is one of the most popular whitefish among American families, thanks to its clean, mild flavor, easy preparation, and versatility. For older adults, snapper is especially well-suited. It has tender meat, low fat content, and is gentle on the stomach, making it ideal for those with more sensitive digestion. A 100-gram serving of snapper provides between 400 and 600 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, offering solid support for heart health when eaten regularly. But omega-3s aren't the only benefit. Snapper is also rich in high-quality protein vitamin D, vitamin B12, and key minerals like potassium and selenium. These nutrients help lower high blood pressure, regulate your heartbeat, and protect cells from age-related damage. It's a great choice for those following a low-fat diet who still want to keep their heart in good shape. Snapper is easy to cook in many ways. You can roast it whole with herbs and lemon pan-sear it with garlic and vegetables, or steam it with ginger scallions and a splash of light soy sauce. In many Latin American households, snapper is a holiday favorite, often baked with festive spices. You can also use snapper fillets to make a whole grain sandwich with greens and a yogurt-based sauce, a light, heart-smart meal that's both satisfying and nutritious. When shopping, try to choose snapper that's been responsibly caught near shore or farm-raised under strict quality standards. Avoid overly large fish, as older snapper may contain higher levels of heavy metals. Fresh or frozen snapper is widely available at major supermarkets, Latin markets, and Asian grocery stores across the U.S. For older adults enjoying snapper once or twice a week, about 100 to 120 grams per serving is an easy, balanced way to boost your omega-3 intake without overwhelming your taste buds. It's a reliable, delicious option for anyone looking to build a heart-healthy diet without making big changes to their everyday cooking habits. We've just explored 5 heart-friendly fish that are easy to find, simple to cook, and kind to your budget, from convenient canned tuna to the light, delicate flavor of snapper. Whether you live in a big city or a quiet rural town building, a heart-healthy diet doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Sometimes all it takes is paying a little more attention at the grocery store. The truth is, good heart health doesn't start with pricey medications. It starts with the small choices we make every day. Like what's on your plate tonight. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In upcoming videos, I'll continue sharing real, practical tips to help older adults live healthier, stronger lives, one simple step at a time.